Nature is full of surprises, but some creatures take adaptability to the next level by controlling their own biology. These fascinating animals have developed extraordinary abilities to manipulate their bodies in ways that seem almost supernatural. Whether it's regenerating lost limbs, altering their appearance, or surviving extreme conditions, these creatures defy the odds. Their unique biological control mechanisms allow them to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Let's explore the top 5 creatures that can control their own biology in truly astonishing ways. First on our list is the axolotl, a salamander famous for its incredible regenerative abilities. Unlike most animals, the axolotl can regrow entire limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of its heart and brain. If injured, the axolotl can repair damaged tissues with astonishing precision and speed. What makes this creature even more unique is that it can regenerate without leaving scars. Scientists are studying the axolotl's genetic makeup to understand how it controls its regenerative abilities. This little amphibian holds potential clues for advancing human medicine and regenerative therapies. Axolotls can also pause their development, remaining in their juvenile state throughout their lives. This ability, known as neoteny, allows them to retain their youthful features while continuing to grow. They can even be induced to undergo metamorphosis under specific conditions, changing their body structure entirely. The axolotl's remarkable control over its biology has made it a subject of fascination in the scientific community. Next, we have the octopus, a master of disguise and biological transformation. Octopuses can change the color, texture, and shape of their skin in an instant. This incredible ability allows them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings to avoid predators. Their skin contains specialized cells called chromatophores that expand and contract to produce different colors. Beneath these chromatophores are iridophores and leucophores, which reflect and scatter light for even more complex camouflage. Octopuses can also mimic the appearance and behavior of other marine animals to deceive predators. Some species, like the mimic octopus, can impersonate venomous creatures such as lionfish and sea snakes. They can control their muscles with remarkable precision, altering their body shape to squeeze into tight spaces. Octopuses are not just masters of disguise, they can also control their nervous system in fascinating ways. Each of their arms has its own mini brain, allowing them to move independently of the central brain. This decentralized nervous system gives octopuses unparalleled coordination and flexibility. In stressful situations, some octopuses can detach an arm to distract predators and escape unharmed. Their ability to control their biology makes them one of the most intelligent and adaptable creatures in the ocean. Another amazing creature that can manipulate its own biology is the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. Tardigrades are microscopic organisms capable of surviving extreme environmental conditions by entering a state called cryptobiosis. In cryptobiosis, tardigrades can shut down nearly all metabolic processes and enter a state of suspended animation. They can survive extreme temperatures, radiation, dehydration, and even the vacuum of space. When faced with harsh conditions, tardigrades expel water from their bodies and produce protective proteins. This process allows them to survive without food or water for years until conditions improve. Once rehydrated, tardigrades return to normal function as if nothing happened. Their remarkable ability to control their biology makes them one of the toughest organisms on the planet. Scientists are studying tardigrades to learn how they could potentially help humans survive space travel. Despite their tiny size, tardigrades possess one of the most resilient biological mechanisms in the natural world. The fourth creature with extraordinary biological control is the wood frog, a master of freezing itself to survive harsh winters. Wood frogs have the unique ability to freeze nearly solid and survive temperatures as low as -80 degrees Fahrenheit. During winter, they produce a special antifreeze-like substance that prevents their cells from freezing. Their heart stops beating, their lungs cease functioning, and their metabolism slows to an almost complete halt. Despite appearing lifeless, wood frogs can thaw out in spring and return to normal activity. They achieve this by flooding their cells with glucose, which prevents ice crystals from forming inside their tissues. This biological adaptation allows them to survive in frozen conditions where most animals would perish. Scientists are exploring how this ability could be applied to organ preservation and cryogenics. Wood frogs demonstrate how nature has found ways to adapt to extreme environments through biological control. Finally, we have the naked mole rat, an underground rodent with astonishing physiological control. Naked mole rats can survive in low oxygen environments by slowing their metabolism and switching energy sources. When oxygen is scarce, they can switch from glucose-based metabolism to fructose metabolism, which requires less oxygen. This adaptation allows them to survive in tunnels where oxygen levels are dangerously low. Naked mole rats also exhibit a remarkable resistance to pain and cancer. Their bodies produce unique proteins that prevent cancerous cell growth, making them nearly immune to tumors. In addition, they have an unusual social structure, similar to insects, where a single queen rules the colony. They can regulate their body temperature differently than other mammals, adapting to underground conditions. Naked mole rats can live up to 30 years, far longer than similar-sized rodents, thanks to their biological adaptations. Their ability to control their metabolism and resist disease makes them an important subject of medical research. These 5 incredible creatures showcase nature's remarkable ability to evolve biological control mechanisms. Their unique adaptations challenge our understanding of biology and offer potential breakthroughs for human science. By studying these animals, scientists hope to unlock secrets that could benefit medicine, technology, and space exploration. Regeneration, survival in extreme conditions, and physiological adaptation are all testaments to nature's ingenuity. The ability to manipulate biology is not just fascinating but also crucial for survival in harsh environments. These creatures prove that life has an incredible way of adapting to whatever challenges it faces. From the depths of the ocean to frozen forests, animals continue to amaze us with their resilience. Each of these creatures has evolved to take control of its biology in a way that helps it thrive. Their abilities inspire new research into human health and technological advancements. Whether it's regrowing limbs, surviving space-like conditions, or freezing solid, these animals have mastered their biology. If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures, follow for more insights into nature's wonders. The animal kingdom is full of surprises, and there's always something new to discover. Stay curious, stay inspired, and continue exploring the amazing ways life adapts and thrives.